came in this morning and I was like, oh. Well, it's dirty, but it's cute. But it's so, what's his name? He got competition. Okay?
In the name of Jesus.
She put her foot in this. Look at her. She looks okay. Welcome, people. Welcome back. Let's tree this. Hey, y'all. Today is October 10th. Today is Tuesday, October 10th. And I'm walking to, well, I'm going to work. But I think I'm going to try the Dunkin' pumpkin ice latte today. If my homegirl is in there, the one that makes it for me. Because she makes it really good. She makes drinks really good. But the other ones, they be slacking. So I might wait. I might wait and get it if she's not in there. But I really want to try it today. So yeah, I'm just gonna try the Dunkin' Donuts latte, pumpkin spice latte another day, probably Friday. It's Friday though. But I'm gonna see y'all another day. My bus coming. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, it's a little bit windy. Oh, it's so windy. But it's Friday, so I'm leaving tomorrow. But today, yeah, today I'm doing laundry right now. My clothes is drying, so I'm about to go do my toes. And then I might go to King's Plaza. I'm not even sure, because I feel like I don't have much time to go to King's Plaza, but I might. So we'll see what we get into. Of course, I took out this one. Like this is perfect size. It's on it though. So I got my luggage and everything, but I did not get to do I didn't get to go to the nail salon, so I'm gonna have to do everything in Jamaica, which is fine because I'm positive it's cheaper. I'm about to go back outside and get some food too. I didn't eat nothing all day. I have like 7 hours before I go to the airport, so I got some time. I really want to try the Ice Spice Munchkins pumpkin spice latte from Dunkin' Donuts. I really want to try that before I leave. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to Dunkin' Donuts, because we're gonna try that Ice Spice. We're gonna see what Ice Spice working with that drink. I'm here now. I'm about to order this latte. I'm praying it tastes good. All right, let me try this. I'm gonna try the Ice Spice pumpkin spice latte. Real nice with a stir. Let's see what the hype is about. It's not that bad. So I'll give this a 7 out of 10 because I don't really taste the pumpkin spice, but it tastes good. But it's not better than Starbucks. It's not. I prefer the Starbucks one. So if I got that, I ordered this too. I got a good amount. Bruh. It's not bad. So that's it for this portion of the video, guys. I'm gonna see y'all when I get back home. Look what my bestie did while I was gone. She got my mommy flowers. Aww. I came in this morning and I was like, aww. And she wasn't even here for me to say thank you or nothing. So I was like, that is so cute. Why you look pink, but it's orange flowers. But yeah, she got these for my mommy on her birthday, for her birthday. I'm like, that's so cute. My stuff is kind of, see, gotta get friends that understand the assignment, period. So this is what I brought back from Jamaica. So still have the receipt on here. We're gonna do a little unboxing of what I got. Everything in here is not mine. There's only one thing is mine, but I'm still gonna show y'all. Oh, that's not it. Right? Yo, you actually see how it is in here. So we got a bottle, 1 bottle, 2 bottles. Those aren't mine. I'm not gonna show y'all what mine is though. You know, every time you go into the islands, people always want pure white Hennessy. So I got these from my homeboys, and yeah, $100 a bottle. So yeah, that's it for the little unboxing. I just wanted to unbox this box and show y'all. They fit 3 is in here, but yeah, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see y'all on another day. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna go to Central Park today and just chill, you know, stroll, whatever. I've been to Central Park, I wouldn't say once. As long as I've been living in New York, I don't really stroll in Central Park, but I've been there, like, I've been there on a friend date, and it was like the other side by the Hudson River, but I'm not trying to go to that side. I don't know which side I'm trying to go to, but whatever train is close by me, and whatever stop that is on the train to Central Park, that's where I'm stopping. I'm not gonna go in hoops and circles just to go to Central Park. I'm sorry. Wherever I end up, that's where I end up. And I hope y'all are enjoying the vlogs. I'm trying my best to be consistent. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoying the vlogs. Like, comment, and subscribe. So I am ready to go outside now. I'm about to head out. I'm dressed. Show you what I got on. Okay, so this is my fit. This is the fit. Real comfy because I'm close to the city and it's way colder than Brooklyn. I've been bought these from last year and I never wore them. And I wanted the top to go with it, but when I went back, the top was nowhere to be found. Yeah, these sweats are from Primark, and I have my black Huaraches on. The scent of the day, Dossier Fruity Jasmine. And I forgot what's the original scent, so I'll put it on the screen. Yeah, so this is the scent of the day. It smells so good. It smells so good. It has... Definitely get y'all. Not spray too much. Yeah. So get my scarf and I'm good to go. So this is me. I'm gonna see you guys when I get to the city.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right?
This view is so pretty. Look at this view. It is so freaking pretty. It's so pretty. Look at the foliage. Pathway right here. Ooh, you can see the views from the top. Yeah. Oh, this is pretty.
Would you like a balloon?
Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Thank you.
And here's a rose to go with it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
That's so cute. I'm in love, y'all. But to tell what's his name? He got competition. Okay. See, not everybody in New York is me, y'all. All right, so this is the Bull Bridge. I forgot what movie this is in. I'll put it on the screen. But we're heading over there. So this is the view from the other side. We was over there in the earlier. We was like, I'll show you where we were. We was right there. It was pretty as hell. This is the other side. Everybody will cuddle up. This is so cute.
Well, it's dirty, but it's cute. Listen, we'll take what we get in New York. Great. Just came off the bridge. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna wrap it up and go home. Is that a dog? That shit is a wolf. Nah, that shit too big. But yeah, I just came off the bridge. Everybody taking pictures. It's getting dark, so we're about to leave the park right now. We're gonna head out. We'll get some grub. Get some Spanish food. I want this rice. I want that rice. What I want? What's the oxtail? What's the oxtail? What's that over there?
That's on the point.
Pork. It's too pork.
Oh. Pinto beans. So we stopped at a Spanish restaurant to get some food. Let's see, get the food. I'm starving. The way I'm starving is funny. Right? The way I'm starving is not funny. Like I was saying in a previous clip, I got some Spanish food. I have to get me an avocado to finish the meal. I have to. But this is dinner. I got some yellow rice and beans with some chicken. I'm like, should I put some gravy on it? Some like juice, some of the juices from the chicken on there, like dry ass chicken. 2 meals for $24. Hey y'all, come see y'all live and direct. I think the last time I vlogged was when I went to Central Park a couple days ago. So yeah, today's Tuesday and I'm about to go outside. The weather is nice today, so I'll see what I end up doing. But oh my god, I can't wait to change my hair. I have like 3 wigs I could change my hair to, but I don't know which one to change it to. Like if I get time to do it, I'll do it, but honestly I might wait until Christmas to change it. I'm about to make me a pumpkin spice latte. Yeah, I'm like a little obsessed with it right now because I'm going outside and I don't want to go to Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts, so I'm just going to make it before I leave because I'm not about to go outside and spend $9-10 on some coffee. Not doing that. I bought some stuff in Target in the last vlog, so that's what I'm about to go use. Yeah, I'm just winging it because I don't know how they make it, obviously, but I think I'm missing the vanilla bean or vanilla syrup, but I'll just use what I have. I saw somebody make it on Instagram this way and I felt like I would like it that way, so I'm gonna make it like that. I'll make it completely different. But let's go make this latte and I'm gonna see y'all after.
It's so easy.
Connecting, yeah.
Hey, ha. Yo, ya meno. Ameno. Oh, can't take back here. You give me na ya cool here. Let me tell them how the thing goes. How the thing goes. Okay. Chebe meka tamua. Say my kina go drink God. You want to bamba? You wanna G with the big boys? Now you the wrong, get the kitty, you the wrong, get a coffee drink with a drop cup. Wait, you can see how the thing goes. How the thing goes. Oh, you're telling me who and you. And who. Alright, take it easy and let's play some behind point. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not about to be on these Starbucks stores, going to Starbucks every day buying this. I'm not doing that. I'm spending $9 on Starbucks. Yeah, man. Depending on what holiday flavors that they have, I think I'm gonna try, like, I think I saw sugar cookie and peppermint, but I don't think I would like peppermint, honestly. So I'm not gonna try peppermint, but I think sugar cookie, I would try sugar cookie and whatever else they have. I'll see what they have, but I don't think I would like peppermint, so I'm not even gonna put myself into that. I need to get my nails done, but I think I'm gonna wait until Christmas time to get my nails done. Yeah, but my actual nails are really growing. I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to bother it right now. So I think in the next vlog, I'm gonna get my nails done for Christmas. And some Christmas themed nails or whatever.
Several hours later.
I have a package. Basically, this is a coffee, mushroom coffee that helps you. It helps with a lot of stuff. So if you want to try it out and check it out for yourself, I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box now. So it's from Ryze Superfoods mushroom coffee that has like so many different types of mushroom in here, and it helps with a lot of stuff: stamina, focus, stress relief, immune support, healthy digestion, and anti-inflammation. The main reason I bought it is because they said it helps with bloating. So that's the main reason I bought it. So I'm gonna see if that is true. I'm gonna try if it's true. I started doing our cycle. Y'all know how we get. Like the bloating was just out of this world, a bit too much for me. So I just want to try it and see if it actually works. Yes, it comes with a creamer. This is a coffee though, and this is a creamer. So I got both of them. And it comes with a little wooden spoon also in the box. So that's cute. Okay, I'm gonna definitely try this out and see if it has an effect on my body or not. So they have the matcha one, which I think I'm gonna try that. I want to try matcha. Like I think I tried matcha once, and that was like years ago, and I didn't like it. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna try matcha again because I feel like I'm just giving it another try. Well, I'm gonna try it like in a couple days and let y'all know how it is. If it's not in this vlog, I'm gonna let y'all know in the next vlog, but I'm gonna try it. Yeah, it better be worth it because I just saw how much I paid for it, and I honestly forgot how much I paid for it. We'll see if it works. That's it for this little unboxing. I will see y'all in the next clip doing whatever I'm doing, y'all.
She's so cold. She can make crime on me, oh Lord. Need a little time for me, oh no. Broke me to a tiny piece, she brown. Felony, oh. Yeah, felony, oh. She can make crime on me, oh Lord. Need a little time for me. Lie to me, she love me. Lie to me, she want me. She don't need no money. She really running. Really on a run, she really something. Maybe honestly, need to get serious, oh my God. Only thing I really know for sure. It's a felony.
Tomorrow.
Cheers. I'll post on the screen what exactly it is, but it tastes good. I'm trying to get back into my healthy eating habits. I'm trying to reduce like soda and juice. Yeah, so it's officially Thanksgiving. It's 11:48 a.m. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. I'm about to get ready to go to Queens to my dad's house. But first, I just cleansed my face. I've been trying to focus and get serious about my skincare. Yeah, so I bought some mask. I bought Dead Sea mud mask. That's to like reduce your pores. And then I have the turmeric mask to clear up the dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So I'm about to put the mask on my face. I will see you guys in Queens.
Several hours later.
So it's like hours later. It's like, what time is it? Let me see. Check my other phone. But this is my fit. I have on this Millennium top from Shein and some sweats. And it is 7:40. 7:41. And we about to eat. We finally about to eat some food. Hope you guys having a happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys are eating good. But yeah, I'm gonna see her over on the kitchen table. Thank you, Lord. Woo, thank you. Now let's grub.
Oh Lord, bless the hands that make this food. Oh God. Thank you for another opportunity to eat around the table with the family, feast. Let us rejoice and be sanctified. Lord, we enjoy this meal, Lord.
Amen.
Let us rejoice
Yes,
and
brother.
be sanctified. You hear that? Rejoice and be sanctified in the name of Jesus.
That sounds like this.
Hey. I did that.
What story?
D, can you pass that? Or
What is sorry?
your blog fell.
What is sorry?
Wow. So aggressive.
I just washed my hands a while ago.
So aggressive.
Leave me alone, guys.
Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are coming like fun. But thank God for the journey, the start to the plot. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall on our return. But I thought we different.
The whole time you've been coming here, talking to us, the food hasn't been good, but you keep coming back?
Right.
like, make it make sense, boy.
2 hours later.
Go ahead, Kai.
Kamar, you playing?
Come on, you know how to play?
She don't have to do y'all or?
No, that's go. Okay, do one. Gotta get 6 first. Oh.
Yeah.
Nah, the new dice.
What's up?
Dice are too early.
Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater, Jenny.
Yeah,
Don't be a hater.
New dice.
No. My 6. Go ahead.
You got something to say?
Who?
Like, what's the matter? The gun. Oh, that wasn't Maryland.
It's their gun.
Oh, it's from a picture. That shows 5 in Maryland. 5. It's Maryland.
Bun.
She don't even like dogs. Why you over here, bro?
I don't know why you over here. Yeah, back up, because I don't do those at all.
Over there. Over there.
Eternity later.
I get out one. She got one to go in, and she can forever get that one. Huh? Get my brother straight.
Oh, well, damn time, man.
Okay.
getting bored all now? No. I won't let you down.
I got 3 in. My cousin got 3 in. She got 1 to go right here. That she don't need. Damn!
Bro, tell me those are true.
It took her like an hour to get the 1.
This and then gave me the 1.
It took like an hour, please.
It's okay.
Cause I was almost home. I was all the way over there.
Let's play this. I can play this.
Crazy. My cousin won.
Today?
And I'm here. Got 3 in.
For Halloween party.
Got 3 in. And I got 1 right here. Just come back home.
Yeah, I went to Halloween.
But yeah, she won. She got all her men's in.
You know, the Dundada.
Shut up.
You know.
So my cousin got Patty LaBelle sweet potato pie. I'm gonna try a piece and see how it tastes. You know, everybody been going crazy about her pies for years now, so finally gonna try it and let y'all know how it tastes. It's so good. It's really good. It's not even that sweet. I'd say it's good. I want another piece. I didn't know it tastes like this. I need it warm. That's what I meant.
Yeah, I get what my mom did.
Yeah, it's just better warm.
Yeah, I should have did that.
I have some water. This Patti LaBelle pie. She put her foot in this. This is the next day, and this is my next plate. Got my curry goat, mac and cheese, oxtail, rice and peas, salad. Alright, so I was here making another pumpkin spice latte, right? And I'm like noticing that it's coming out, obviously it's coming out different than the first time, because the first time I put the cold foam at the bottom and the top, which is why it was so light, but it still tastes good. I was just noticing that the fact that I'm making it off camera and it's coming out how it's supposed to come out, because that's coffee color. I really make it really thick. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, we're gonna pour her on top. I'll give her a stir first because she's a little. Alright, so I didn't want to pour too much because I want to cover it up while I drink it. But, ooh, she's sexy. Look, this is why I like to make it. I mean, you can mix it. You see, it's so hard to go to the bottom. That's why I like to put it at the bottom and the top. Because it's so freaking hard to go at the bottom and go down. Put a dash of cinnamon. Yep, and that's her, y'all. I think I'm gonna use this one for my thumbnail picture because, yeah, the other one is too white. Like, girl, you're trying to mess me up. Even though you tasted so good. That's the color I wanted. But also, I probably, once I put the, if y'all notice, once I put the, I noticed that once I put the heavy cream, it got way lighter. But this is how it's supposed to look, right? Look at her. She looks okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oops. Let me try to close it. Why is it still not closing? So much in there. Alright, so I finally got the cold foam mixed in. And that's the color. I'm gonna get all of this out this cup. We're not promoting that brand. I'm not even showing it, but come on. Alright, go. Welcome back to the channel. So it's been a couple days after Thanksgiving because I stayed at my dad's for a while. It's like almost a week after Thanksgiving. What's today? Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday the 29th. So it's almost a week after Thanksgiving. My Thanksgiving was great. I stayed at my dad's for a couple extra days. I didn't really have nothing to do, so I didn't really vlog while I was there. But I was supposed to go to a comedy show with my brother, but some things he got caught up at work, so we didn't get to go to the comedy show. But hopefully next month. Yeah, I went to Vllo and got some stuff. I haven't been to Vllo in a minute, so I'm like, let me see what they got in there. I really wanted to get Christmas decorations since Christmas is coming up, because I want to get me a little cute Christmas tree. So that's why I went there. But I got a few little extra stuff, of course. So we're gonna get into that haul. If you're new, my name is Kitty. If you're not new, welcome back to the little haul. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So let's get into the haul. First thing I got, this cup, this cute green cup. My favorite color is green. It's a good size, so it's like I could use it in the house. It's perfect. I love the color. I wish the color was brighter, but it's fine. It's a cute design also. And it's green, so I love it. That one for my best friend also. She likes purple, but they had lavender. So I got this for her. It looks pink, but I like the details on here too. Like, this one is really nice. I wish they had mine in this style, but they didn't have green in this one, so Yes, I got 2 drinking cups. I think the whole bottle might go fit in here. What y'all think? I think so. I got some candy canes. Some small mini candy canes. I'm gonna use about like 5 of them for the tree. So I'm gonna like cut majority, like the bottom piece off and cut it really short so it could look cute on the tree. But I'm gonna show you that. And I got this hat. I got this tam because my tail piece is the same color. And I just got it because it's green. Because like I said, that's my color. So I got this. That's the hat. It's winter time, so you can't have too many of these. And I bought this Merry Christmas ornament thing. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I just liked it, so I just got it. It's cute. Merry Christmas. Probably put it in the kitchen here somewhere. I don't know. And then I got me some hot cocoa, some hot chocolate with the marshmallows on there. And I honestly wanted to buy the separate marshmallows so I could roast them, but I didn't see any. I'll probably have to go to Dollar Tree for that, which I will. And then I think that's about it for here. Oh, I had got, oh, I'm gonna show you that in a minute. And then I got this cute Christmas tree that I got from a bargain store. It's $5. I love the little decorations and ornaments that's on there, even this little gift box. With this little gift box, it's really cute. But it's a perfect size because I want to put it on top of my dresser in the living room right there. So it's perfect. That's that. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, that's about it. I did buy, well, y'all did see this. I think, yeah, y'all saw it earlier in the vlog, but I bought, yeah, but this I got from Burlington. I had one in Burlington real quick and I got it, and I saw it, I was like, oh, this is cute decoration for fall. So I was like, let me get this for the kitchen. But yeah, so that's what y'all saw when I was making my latte. Yeah, I was like, oh, I gotta show y'all this. I got this from Burlington, just in case anybody was wondering. I think that's it. That's it for the little Fall and Below haul. I really can't wait to start my story times because, baby, I cannot wait to start my story times. But I just have so much to do already. I want to get those out the way. Then I do my little story time series. I think this will be the end of the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next video.